What I find interesting, though, is why wasn't the car towed the first time?
Yeah.
Because we knew that this was an issue, right? So it's very interesting to me that whatever that note said apparently made law enforcement believe that that car was something that they should be looking at more closely, and then something that they ended up towing. But I find it very strange, given the fact that we knew from the beginning, at least, or they believed that she entered through that garage. It seems strange that now that's something that is more of a point of interest.
Sure. And then what about this device that was on the roof? Do we have, and I realize that, all of this at this point is kind of some level of speculation, but do we have any inkling what the significance of that may or may not have been?
Well, again, I think it's very strange that this was not something that was discovered in the initial search or even the second search of that house, because now this is the third time that they're going back. And, yesterday we heard that it was some camera type device. Now we're hearing that it is some wired type device. So whatever it is, if it was a camera type or wildlife camera, I think we heard yesterday, you'd have to see where that was pointing. If that was really a focus on the backyard, is that going to give any information?
Right.
We just don't know. If it is some other wired device that really means nothing, we don't know that either. But it's very interesting to me, again, that it took until the third search to find these things. And what about that is so unique that they decided to take it this time? So, again, we don't know everything they know. I think it's very interesting in these cases, and they probably are keeping a lot quiet because there are things that they don't want out. So, this is going to just be interesting to see how it plays out. But I mean, we're on day 7 of this, and this is a week of a woman who's not well being with captors. So it's very sad and very scary.